V4 admin panel. So the V3 admin panel is still on the work, but I give you all a early access for the V4 admin panel. Look at that. So yeah, just ungroup everything in the right place. So let's do the tutorial. Oh, why I rejoin? Mm, eh. By the way, my third teeth, tooth hurt. Sorry about that. First, paste the ID in the description. Just click the paste, and then yeah, it's not made by me. It's made by Kiwi, inspired by Kiwi. But the V3 admin panel, it's not finished yet. But tomorrow I will try to finish it. Yep. Then go to starter GUI, find the admin client and put your user ID here. And find service script service and go open admin handler and put your user ID too. Then publish it. So that's all for today. Bye bye and see you all soon.